Hey guys, Terry here. I've got a big announcement. In about 2 weeks time, I'll be packing my bags and I'll be flying back to America. That's right. It doesn't mean I'm going to let go of the channel or my farm. I'm not going to sell my farm, but I'm going to do business in America. My son's of age for high school. My oldest son's getting out of the U.S. Navy. He wants to start a business. I want to start one with him. And my son has to finish school. So in a short few weeks, we're going to be going back, and I'm going to start a business. I'm going to start investing in real estate again, as I did. I flip homes. That's what I do. I buy them, resell them. And America is a bifurcated market, so different states right now are doing good, and others aren't doing so well, as you guys may know, if you keep track of that. But I'm going to Virginia. That market's good. And not only that, I'm going to start a manufacturing business on top of it all. Now, a lot of you probably don't know, but I used to manufacture products. I used to manufacture hot tubs, in fact. And all the places I did it in Guangzhou, China. Can you believe that? So I did that for many years, almost 10 years I worked there, manufacturing hot tubs, running a factory. So I'm going back to America, and the factory I want to open is a filter company. I want to make the filters for the hot tubs and for swimming pools. That's what we're going to do. So guys, I'm going to document it. I'm going to have it on a channel. It's going to be American Rebuilt. So basically, guys, I see a tremendous opportunity in this, and I want to leave something for my children, you know, when the time comes. After my accident, as everybody knows, I mean, I just have a different perspective on life. Yes, I'm living the dream. I'm out in beautiful Thailand. I'm living in this valley. I got my durian farm. I mean, it's gorgeous. I love it. I hit the hot springs all the time. But it's time for a new chapter in my life. And I want you guys to follow along with me. I'm going to go ahead and put a link in the description of this video here, of the new channel. And you can follow along to, you know, my ups and downs. I mean, it's going to be the real deal, man. I'm going to show you guys everything, what it's going to take, looking for a home, flipping the home, how much I make on the home, and then I'm going to bring you guys through the whole process of me starting this factory. So I'm real excited, to be honest with you guys. This is a real slow pace for me compared to what I'm used to in the past. But again, like I said, after that accident, I just have a completely different perspective on life. I feel like I have unfinished business to do with my children, and that as a father, I feel I need to do. So I'm going to do that. And to top it off, you know, no matter, you know, if you're left or right, but this new bill since Trump in America came out with these tariffs. I know it's bad for other countries, but it's great for America, especially for filters. So these Chinese filters that were coming in from China, you know, we're able to now make them in America and actually profit from it, even if they come from Mexico or other countries. With this tariff in place, makes it profitable to manufacture in America. And along with that, there's a new tax code that just makes it very lucrative to manufacture in America. So a lot of changes done to LLCs and that. So I'm looking forward to it, guys. It's a new chapter in my life. It's going to be fun. It's going to be exciting. It's going to be awesome. So follow along. But I'm calling my channel American Rebuilt. I'm going back. You're going to see me rebuild my life there. It's going to be super interesting. I'm still going to give updates with TM Durian Farm, and we'll still be coming back for all the harvest. So we will be coming back 2 to 3 months out of the year, maybe twice a year we'll be coming back. But I'm finally at a point on the farm too, guys, where I'm comfortable on stepping away and do something else. It's turnkey. We've got workers. The trees are bigger. They're producing. We're earning money on it. And but life's not always about money, you know. It's about other things too. So, and this is that's what this is all about. So, oh, hello. Yeah, I know her. Works at the resort that's over there on the river. But yeah, life's about other things. And so come join me, guys. You know, you've been with me from the beginning. You've seen what I built here. Come with me, join me in my next chapter of my life. And let me know, guys, what business you would like to start if you had a chance to go to America and do so. Thanks, guys. Thanks for being with me, and we'll talk soon.